animals are sad. Let's help them. Move the animals to their carts. Try another one. Try another one. That's right, it's a duck. Way to go, it's a monkey. Very good, it's a panda. Yay, you got all the animals.
Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boom.
The animals are hungry. Feed them. Try another one. That's right, a monkey eats bananas. Try another one. Yes, panda eats bamboo. That's right, a duck eats corn. What a job you did! You fed all the animals.
Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo.
Subscribe and unlock all the topics.
That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Very good. That's the panda's house. Correct. That's the duck's house. Way to go! That's the monkey's house.